This video is by Chat and Ask AI. Let's see how they do. Welcome to the Hotel Del Coronado, a historic beachfront hotel standing tall against the backdrop of the Pacific Ocean. Known as the Hotel Del, but it's actually owned by Hilton, and it's a timeless masterpiece that's been captivating guests for over a century. Okay, let's talk history. Step inside and be transported to a world of luxury, elegance, and old-world charm. The Hotel Del, often referred to as the Del, first opened its doors in 1988 and has since become a symbol of Southern California's rich history. Over the years, the Del has welcomed countless celebrities, presidents, and even royalty, all drawn to its timeless beauty and unparalleled hospitality. From Marilyn Monroe to Charlie Chaplin, it's played host to some of the most prominent figures of the 20th century. One of the most remarkable features of the Del is its stunning beachfront location. With its pristine sandy shores and panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean, guests can enjoy the quintessential California coastal experience. Whether it's building sandcastles, surfing the waves, or simply basking in the sun, the beach of the Del offers endless opportunities for relaxation and fun for guests of all ages. The hotel's architecture is a marvel in itself, showcasing a captivating blend of Victorian and Queen Anne styles. Its signature red roof turrets and white wooden facade make it a true architectural gem. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a world of refined elegance. The interior is adorned with exquisite details, from the ornate chandeliers to the intricately designed wallpaper. Every corner of the Del just exudes a sense of timeless beauty and sophistication. Dining at the Del is a culinary journey like no other. Whether you're looking for a casual beachside meal or an upscale fine dining experience, the hotel offers a range of exceptional restaurants that cater to every palate. If relaxation is what you seek, the Del's spa and wellness facilities are at your service. Indulge in rejuvenating treatments, take a dip in the sparkling pools, or work up a sweat at the state-of-the-art fitness center. At the Del, your well-being is paramount. There's nothing more magical than a sunset on the beach. The Del's ambiance and views create unforgettable moments that will stay with you long after your visit. Okay, AI is finished. Here's what I really love about this place. Okay, now we can continue walking down this beautiful beach path. Did you know that when the sand in Coronado gets wet, it shimmers gold? Apparently there's a mineral that comes up from Mexico and it's brought up by the tides. Look at how shimmery it is. I think a picture kind of doesn't do it justice. But let's keep walking. Sorry for the airplane noise. You can see fighter jets go by sometimes. There's a training base not too far away. Helicopters. It's pretty interesting, actually. These are the beautiful cabanas. You can have upstairs with a balcony with a better ocean view, or you can have downstairs with a little bit more outdoor space. I prefer downstairs because I feel like I'm on the beach, but let me know in the comments which one you think is better. And this taller building is the most recent addition, much more modern than the Victorian area. Those high rises straight ahead, I think they start at $1 million plus for a one bedroom, not associated with the hotel. I love these colorful surfboards on the left. I'm pretty sure that you can rent them and take a surf lesson. And I'm not exactly sure where, but I know you can rent bicycles somewhere and ride all along the beach path. All the way down, if you go the other direction, there's a dog beach. This is pretty much the end. I'm wondering if they're running out of space to expand anymore. That last building you see is the end of the Hotel Del. Okay, so we turned around and we're heading back to the main portion of the hotel. I still vote for downstairs. But either way, they're beautiful. Hey, welcome to It's Almost Winter in SoCal. It's so nice down here. This white sandy beach goes on forever. It's amazing. So upstairs right there, it's called the Sun Deck, and it's our favorite place to eat and drink with a view. Up these steps to the right, while we were there, they were setting up for an outdoor ice skating rink for the holiday season. It may or may not open November 17th. I can't remember. Coronado, and especially the Hotel Del, has such a nice, relaxed vibe.
Tell me, baby, what's on your mind? Now tell me. Well, I'm waiting, I'm still waiting on you, sweet love, baby. You and I could never part, 'cause I love you from the start, so you know. You and me, that's the way it's supposed to be.
You can't beat live music and a tiki bar / taco bar. It's got some serious Hawaii vibes going on here. Okay, these places are part of the hotel still, and they are beautiful. I think they've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and you get your own small pool. How cool is that? So we're pretty much at the end of the property. These sand dunes are so cool. If you look at them from the sky, if you fly over, it spells out Coronado. It's also a great workout if you want your butt kicked, just running up and down these dunes all the way down to the other end. I think I would die. I found a picture. Here's what it looks like from the sky. That's so cool. Well, that's about it for our day trip to beautiful San Diego. We're about to head over to the Coronado Brewing Company for some dinner and then head over to the airport for our flight home. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to mention. Have you ever heard that the Hotel Del is haunted?